how to disable unnecessary hardware devices in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to turn off hardware you don't use to keep things clean and free up system resources. First, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager from the menu. From there, you'll see a full list of every hardware category on your device. Click the arrow next to any category to expand it and see the devices inside. After that, find the device you want to disable, right-click on it, and select Disable Device from the menu. At this point, a pop-up will appear warning you that disabling the device will stop it from functioning. Click Yes to confirm. From here, the device will be disabled straight away, and a small down arrow icon will appear on it in Device Manager, indicating it's turned off. Following this, common devices worth considering disabling if you don't use them include Bluetooth adapters, secondary network adapters, unused COM ports, and biometric devices. After that, if you want to view devices that are already disabled or hidden, click the View menu at the top of Device Manager and select Show Hidden Devices to see everything, including inactive hardware. From here, to re-enable any device you've disabled, just right-click on it and select Enable Device, and it will be back up and running straight away. Finally, keep in mind that disabling certain devices, like your network adapter or display driver, can affect how your PC functions, so only disable hardware you're confident you don't need. That's how you disable unnecessary hardware devices in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.